Good morning, children. Welcome back to the physics class. We have finished the chapter elasticity. Now we will try some numericals. Let me do some numericals for you. I will solve the numericals which I think most of the people or students ask frequently. But I will start from numerical number 1, which is very easy one. So this is numerical number 1 on page 556. This is very easy one. By producing linear strain of 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 in a wire. Linear strain is given. Linear strain means longitudinal strain. It is given, which is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 in a wire. It will not have a unit because it is a pure ratio, length upon length, change in length upon original length. Now stress is developed by producing linear strain. Stress is developed, which is 2.4 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per meter square. You have to find Young's modulus of elasticity of the substance. So Young's modulus, that is Y, is longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain. As the strain produced is longitudinal, therefore stress will be longitudinal also. Now put the values. Linear strain, that is longitudinal stress, is 2.4 into 10 to the power 7, and strain is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Divide it properly, you are going to get the answer, which is 1.2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. I have already told you that stress and strain are tensor quantities and Young's modulus is a scalar, so you need not to give the direction. So this is numerical number 1 on page 556. Now next is numerical number 5 on the same page. On the same page, a mass of 1 kg is suspended from a wire of length 1 meter. Mass is given as 1 kg. Length, original length, that is L, is 1 meter. And cross section area is also given of the wire is 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Young's modulus of elasticity of the material, that is Y, is given as 10 to the power 10 Newton per meter square, and its density of the material of the wire, I am taking it as rho 2 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. This is the density of the material of the wire. Find elongation in the wire. You have to find this. Find elongation in the wire if, now there are two parts. If the body is in air, first part is body is in air, and the second part is body is completely dipped in water. Water has a density of 1 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So here density of water, I am taking it as sigma 1 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube is given, and acceleration due to gravity is also given as 10 meter per second square. Now this is the question. M is given, G is given, you can find force. A is given, you can find stress, weight upon area. Y is given, that means it should be longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain. Strain is L upon delta L, you need to find delta L. So for the first case, that is in air, Young's modulus is mg by A delta L into L. Longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain, you need to find delta L in this case. So making delta L as subject, delta L is y into A by you need to find delta L, mg L A into y. Now putting the values, I am putting the values. M is 1 kg, it is given. G is 10, that is also given in the question. L is also 1. Length is also given as 1. Now area is 10 to the power minus 6 and y is 10 to the power 10. So here you can see that we are not using densities anymore. So what will be the use of density, that I will tell you in the coming part. So on solving this, you are going to get ten to the power 7 minus 10, that is 10 to the power minus 3 meter, which is equals to 1 millimeter. So in the first part the answer is 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter, or you can write 1.0 millimeter is the elongation in the while the body remains in air. Now the second part. Second part is of the same question, where it is completely immersed, completely dipped in water. So when any object is completely dipped in water, there applies an upthrust, so force will decrease. So here the apparent weight in liquid, in water, I am taking it as mg dash is equals to weight in air minus upthrust. Weight in air is mg, upthrust is volume of liquid displaced, as it is completely dipped in water, so it has covered all the volume which it has. Volume into density into gravity, V rho G, V sigma G. Sigma is density of liquid in which the object is dipped. Now here mg volume is mass into, as it is completely dipped, so mass will remain same. Mass into volume is, density is equals to mass upon volume. Density is mass upon volume. So volume is mass upon density. Volume is mass upon density. Therefore, mass upon density of the substance, that is rho, density of the material of the substance, material of the wire, sigma into G. Now taking it as mg 1 minus sigma by rho. This is apparent weight. What is the need? That I will tell you. Now in place of force, because the object is dipped in water, so force will be apparent force, upthrust is applied. Now mg dash I can find, m is given as 1, g is 10, 1 minus 1, density of water is 10 to the power 3, density of material of wire is 2 into 10 to the power 3. You are going to get it as 5 Newton. Now, applying the concept, again delta L is equals to, now here mg dash into L upon A into Y. Put the values. Mg dash is 5 into L is 1, A is 10 to the power minus 6, and this is 10 to the power 10. So you will get it as 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter, which is equals to 0.5 millimeter. So this is the answer in case of liquid in which the wire is dipped. This is the answer for the second part, numerical number 5 on the page 556. Now next numerical will be numerical number 14 on the same page, page 556, where breaking stress of a substance is breaking stress is 20 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. If density of substance is 2.5 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube, then find maximum length of the wire made of same substance so that it may not break due to its own weight when hanged. So here you need to find maximum length, that is original length you need to find, at which it will not break. Breaking stress, I have told you, breaking stress is the maximum stress which a wire can bear without getting breakdown. So stress is equals to force upon area. Force is mass into gravity upon area. Mass is density into volume into G upon area. So again solving it, stress is equals to density into area into length into area into length is volume. Area getting cancelled out. You need to find L. So L is equals to stress divided by rho into G. Stress is 20 into 10 to the power 5. Rho is 2.5 into 10 to the power 3, and G is 9.8, On solving it, you are going to get it as 81.6 meter. So this is the answer of the given question. Numerical number 14 on the page 556.